Hello everyone. I'm just going to unbox for you this flashlight for the phones. I just got it from Amazon and I haven't opened it as yet. I will open it with you. It is called Neewer, as you can see, Neewer flashlight for the phones. This is the number. It's for the mobile phones, and I guess you can use it for the cameras as well because it clips on anywhere. So let's see what it comes with. There's a little manual, like everybody has those. It shows how you can clip it on your phone. Okay, this is the flashlight. Pretty cool. Small little flashlight you can take anywhere. And how does it work? There are little tiny buttons to switch it on, and there are two different ports. I guess those are for charging it. Let's see if it is already charged. Oh wow, there you go. Can you see it? Nice. This is mixed light. Let me change it and see. This is mixed. Oh, how do you change it? Oh, this is cooler light. Oh, there should be another. Ah, this is very bright, right? How cool is that? Your very own studio light. Oh yeah, there's this blue light. It shows you how much battery is left. You know what? I'm gonna try it. You have seen me right now, and let's see how it will look when I put it on my phone. I'm gonna use the mixed light. Oh, there's a little clip on here. See the clip on? You can stick it on your phone, I guess. I will have to switch it off. There, I think there are 3 or 4 settings. Anyways, so what I will do is I will put it on. See, it goes like this, clicks on, and I guess you have to press it to get it out. This is it. Now clip it on your phone and you're ready to record your video. There. Wow, there are 4 settings, I guess. Okay, there is this charging cable that came with it. What is this? Oh wow, it also has, so you can put it on the stand, right, on your tripod, and put your phone here, there for the tripod. Great, excellent. So this is all that came with it. Small little box. I guess I will find a little pouch or something so that it doesn't get scratches when I'm traveling. And then there's yellow light. Just play around with it and see which one you like better. There are 4 or 5 settings of the lights. I hope you found it interesting, and again, I bought it from Amazon, and I will leave the little description for you to see, and you can go ahead and buy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to watch for other videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.